live video.
Yeah, there you go.
You have a pedal boat. You have a paddle boat. Pedal paddle. Oh, Andrea, I'm sorry. Boat is ready. Everybody else is really ready. And we're just
sgscherer@gmail.com.
And what's that for?
That's my contact information.
For?
Steve Shearer. For lessons.
There we go. Look, can't see my face. How do you know if you have enough sunscreen on when you don't have any mirrors or anything? So Clarence, how long have you been canoeing?
Cecil has been canoeing since 1969.
Copy.
Yeah, so I should go Cecil and Helga. So Cecil, how long have you been kayaking?
Well, I started kayaking in about...
Even though this is a canoe.
Yes. You asked to kayak.
I know.
I started canoeing in 1969. I started kayaking in about 1985.
Wow. You've been doing this a while. You make it look effortless when you're out there.
Yeah. I used to be a canoe instructor for ACA and the local Red Cross chapter in Sacramento, California.
And Heidi, how long have you been kayaking?
I have been doing it probably since the mid to late 90s.
So you're pretty experienced as well.
A little bit.
And you came all the way from
Minnesota. Yes.
So you love the Willamette.
I love the Willamette. I'm glad to be out here. It's been a lot of fun.
And we're going to pan the camera for somebody that didn't want to be on it.
That's Andrea over there.
Andrea.
You found me. Shirley.
And Shirley.
Hi.
And Snow's gone somewhere.
Oh, and you got
Steve is our paddleboard instructor. And there's the boss of his company.
And good morning to you, Jeff.
Good morning.
And how long have you been hobie caddying?
Hobie? I've only been doing this since about 2019, so I've not been doing it for very long.
You look very comfortable and like you're having fun.
I am. It's I kind of like technology, and it has lots of moving parts to break and fix. So.
Right. And how long have you been boating in general?
Since 2019.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
a newbie to this.
Really?
Yes. I used to go in high school with my dad. He had a
okay.
little boat called the Nebula.
And where was that?
We would go up to the Cascade Lakes
Okay.
up there. And I was not really good at holding on to the bow line when he launched the boat. And I would be off daydreaming like this, and the boat would be floating down into the reeds. So that was pretty much the end of my boating career for quite a while.
And so, how long have you been doing the Willamette?
The Willamette's what I've done mostly. The Willamette and then Nestucca, and then out at Pacific City in the ocean there. And then I paddleboard, and I do that wherever I can. And after watching Steve and Cindy, I'm going to be paddleboarding a lot more because I didn't realize you could do long runs on a river like this.
Make sure you get the, what's the key for paddleboard? Leash.
Their quick release leash.
There you go.
Or no leash at all. And then also to get lessons from them, and I got their contact information, which is on this little camera.
Good,
So-
good. And I understand that you are a resident of the area, local.
Yeah, we're actually finishing at Kaiser Rapids, and I live in Kaiser, so I'm within a mile of the end point. So I just have to drag all my stuff a mile. It won't be too bad.
Oh my God.
Sounds like a phaser on overload, Travis. Hey Piper, what are you doing? Are you ready to go paddleboarding? Okay. Oh. The drone is aloft. Piper is going crazy. That white building there, I believe, is the Eola Inn.
Oh, okay. You seem to use car lot?
Yeah. Through the mighty jungles.
Yeah, it's so that there are not like trails, you know, there's people hunting is allowed here too, so I always, but I don't know if you, so this, do you all know what Wapato is, or? So this covered, this is all Wapato, and this was all Ludwigia in 2018. Wow. That's what I was saying, right?
I'm just going to lift up the end. Oh, wow.
Now wait till I stop hearing noise.
Is all the water out now?
No, it went down. Okay, good. Keep climbing. Put your legs in. Take your time. No, turn. Okay, yeah, you can turn towards. It's better if you turn towards me, then I can see it.
Steve, I got your first training video.
You guys want to go first, or you want us to go first?